Buenos días, Puerto Rico.
Good morning.
大家晚上好。
I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Monday and a very, very happy week ahead.
So this morning, we're going to sing a song and we'd love you to join in.
So we brought lyric sheets and we're having a sing-along. We hope that you'll join us.
If you would care to take a lyric and pass it down, you do not have to participate if you don't want to.
Não venho aqui pedir nada, não venho aqui simplesmente nenhuma moeda, venho só partilhar este dia convosco.
So I have some flowers to give you, and I want to invite you to sing a song with me and a couple of my friends here this morning.
Just to help lift our spirits and remember that even though it may be cold, life is wonderful.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing
It's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry, don't worry.
About the thing, you can't play an instrument on the bus, sorry. Oh, alright. Can we sing? Said we could sing. I'll do it. Don't worry
about a thing. You know this song. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Nasema usijali chochote.
Don't worry, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Feel the birds, become my doorstep.
Sing it loud, sing it proud.
Singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, and we're singing, this is my message to you.
Everybody now, let's go. Sing it, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun.
And three little birds sit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Melodies pure and true. Come on! Singing, this is my message to you.
Turn to the person you don't know and sing. Come on now.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Just the men, all the men, help me sing. Come on.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Ladies, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Let them hear us in the first carriage. Come on now.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Let them hear us all over the world. Say.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Is it for me? Thank you.
Spread the joy.
Same time tomorrow.